यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानम् अधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम् परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्म संस्थापनार्थाय संभवामि युगे युगे.
Good morning, my dear loving children and the parents who are looking at me. When I start my lecture, I have a great vision in my mind. I get inspired. I get highly elated from within that I am involved in a process which somehow or the other shall, reinvigorate my children for a better cause. National spirit and the spirit for belonging for the nation, with the nation, that should be the spirit. I always urge my children that your education should be very much purposive. It should be focused on certain issues. It should not be wayward. Education should never be wayward. मेरा कहने का मतलब है it should not be without any purpose. लेकिन आजकल purpose is slightly getting disarrayed. Reason is that most of the education system which is prevalent in our country is aimed at getting a job. मैं बच्चों से पूछता हूँ क्या तुम्हारा सपना है? IIT क्रैक करना. IIT करके क्या करोगे? अच्छे पैकेज लेके क्या करोगे? विदेशों में जाके सेटल करेंगे. बहुत कम बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जिनके अंदर ऐसी फीलिंग होती है, नेशनलिस्ट फर्वर होती है, जो कि कहे कि मैं कुछ साइंटिफिक एक्सप्लोरेशन में पार्टिसिपेट करूंगा. ये तो बच्चे जब कहीं कुछ नहीं होता है तब जाके साइंटिस्ट बनना शुरू करते हैं, और साइंटिस्ट बनते हैं कंपल्शन में. होता क्या है? आधे अधूरे. ना माया मिली न राम. ना IIT क्रैक हो पाया और ना ही साइंटिस्ट अच्छा बन पाए. तो माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, द वेरी पर्पस that I am urging today, that my children should read, should educate themselves, not for a job, but they should educate themselves to gain knowledge. Educated hona is a different thing, but being knowledgeable is a different thing altogether. So our education should be aimed at that my education should supplement me in serving my nation. That should be our motto. A good educated man, maybe that he gets less salary, but he really keeps national spirit in mind. He is a true son of the soil. My dear loving children, today a fresh word which I have picked up for you, for your benefit, is renovate. The word is RENOVATE, renovate. You must have come across the tabloid. I have used the word tabloid. Since this is an exercise for enhancing your word power, so I would keep on explaining the words which I speak, so that that word also becomes one of the issues, one of the topic for you to note down and write down its meaning. Tabloid is nothing but synonym of newspaper. Tabloid, TABLOID, tabloid. Whenever you read any newspaper, you come across many words. The renovation process in government is on. The old building has been put under renovations. Taj Mahal, recently, Taj Mahal was renovated. It was said that the outer flavor that luster, that brightness of Taj Mahal is being faded day by day. So certain kind of chemical, of course, herbal chemical was applied over Taj Mahal, so that was renovated. Lal Killa of Delhi was recently renovated to make museum for Subhash Chandra Bose. So what is this renovation? RENOVATE, renovate, is a verb. Renovate means renew. RENEW, renew. NEW, new. उसके आगे प्रीफिक्स क्या लगा? री. RE, renew means again, make over. Restore, store, STORE के आगे प्रीफिक्स लगा RE, तो क्या हो गया? Restore. Restore to its original shape and color and luster, brightness. Refresh. The word is fresh, FRESH, fresh मतलब जानते ही हो आप लोग, fresh, and RE is the prefix, so that makes refresh, add flavor to its freshness and renovate. One more very similar to it, rejuvenate. In my last lecture, I have used this word, rejuvenate. REJUVENATE, rejuvenate. You must be remembering, I have used the word, let me rejuvenate you from the dampened spirit. आप बहुत थके हो, बहुत उदास हो, व्याकुल हो, व्यथित हो. But a news came, and very refreshing news came, and suddenly your mood was rejuvenated from the dampened spirit. Rejuvenate your mood from the dampened spirit. मतलब dampened spirit मतलब मुरझा हुआ, बुझा हुआ, नासाज. And finally you are back to rejuvenated mood. So these are the words which are going to explain the meaning of the word renovate. When a student, comes to school, old structure must be there. What's going on there? He asks the teacher. Teacher replies, your previous class is under renovation. Some denting, painting going on. Maybe the children are habit of, spoiling the wall, the benches. So what happened? Normally the vacations are the period when the old structure or the one which needs some repair goes under renovation. Repair, to make it renew, restore to its original shape, refresh, rejuvenate. Mean to make like new. Renew implies a restoration of what had become faded or disintegrated. Faded का मतलब क्या हुआ? FADED, faded or disintegrated, जिसका मलिन हो जाना. When you walk in the sun, you come home, your face looks faded. Once you wash your face with fresh cold water, your face really starts glowing. So what you say then? My face has again got rejuvenated. It has started glowing. Seeing, because that was when you were standing in sun, you must have got some kind of sunburn. So your face needs certain kind of moisturization. So once you applied water, your face turned rejuvenated. It looked fresh. It looks faded or disintegrated. What is disintegrated? Integrated. Integrated मतलब इकट्ठा. When you are calm, composed, you look very calm, quiet, composed, refreshed and integrated. अब देखते हो जब शरीर थका हुआ होता है, बुझा हुआ होता है, why are you looking so disintegrated? आपका शोल्डर गिरा हुआ, पलकें बिल्कुल बुझी हुई, चेहरे पे कोई लालिमा नहीं. You look totally out of place, out of contour, out of order. So that is called disintegrated. Restore implies a return to original state after depletion or loss. देखते हो कभी कभी आप दिल्ली में जाओ, पुराना किला, चाहे तुगलकाबाद के पास, तुगलकाबाद फोर्ट. So what this archaeological survey of India does, it restores old palaces to its original shape, which are found in the archives. So that is called restoration, renovation. These are similar words. Refresh. What is, I have used the word refresh. Refresh implies the supplying of something necessary to restore lost strength, animation or power. आप कंप्यूटर में भी देखते हो, आपकी कोई डेटा खो जाती है तो अगेन यू क्लिक द बटन रिफ्रेश. So the data again rebacks, it comes back, whatever you wanted to get it, you just click on the button refresh. पुराना जंक फाइल खत्म हो जाती है and you get the data refreshed. A refreshing drink, कभी कभी देखते हो टीवी पे भी देता है, विक्स की गोली लो, खिंच खिंच दूर करो, है ना. समटाइम्स यू आर ऑलवेज अंडर खिंच खिंच. अब विक्स की गोली लेते हो, गले के नीचे जाती है, यू फील स्लाइटली कंफर्टेबल. सो दैट्स ऑल्सो रिफ्रेशिंग गोली, रिफ्रेशिंग विक्स टैबलेट. Similarly, there are some colas, drinks. Of course, mind you, I am not a proponent of any kind of drinks whatsoever. I am just giving my example in context. These are contextual example. Examples वही दिए जाते हैं which you have seen and which imply something and helps you to understand things faster. So, when I come to the word renovate, it has suggest a renewing by cleansing, repairing और रीबिल्डिंग. कहीं का छज्जा टूट गया, कहीं की गुंबद टूट गई, कहीं का प्लास्टर निकल गया, फिर से रीप्लास्टरिंग करना, गुंबद को फिर से रीस्टोर करना, उसके अंदर डेंटिंग पेंटिंग पुट्टी काट के एंड मेक इट इन ओरिजिनल कलर, ओरिजिनल फ्लेवर. दैट इज कॉल्ड renovate. The apartment has been entirely renovated. You must have seen after Puja holidays or before Puja holidays and Diwali, most of the households, they undergo kind of renovations, denting, painting, kind of a structural work. Now let me come back to the word which is very similar, identical to renovate, is rejuvenate. As earlier I gave you the example of rejuvenate yourself from the dampened spirit. My mother was not home, so I was feeling very restless. As soon as she came home, entire my gloomy days has been rejuvenated from the dampened spirit. All those days, bad days, gloomy days have withered away and I have been totally rejuvenated, fresh. That is, suggest a restoration of youthful vigor, 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 अंदर से उमंग, पावर और अपीयरेंस. एक देखते हो मुड बहुत डाउन सा, चेहरे लटके हुए, फ्रेश, अचानक, that kind of expression is called rejuvenate. The change in job rejuvenated his spirits. प्रीवियस जॉब जहाँ पे वो काम कर रहा था, थका आ रहा, बॉस भी बहुत खड़ूस टाइप का, काम करने जाए, ऑफिस जा रहा है जैसे लगता है वो कहीं, मतलब ही इज गोइंग टू ए मुरुक, शमशान घाट में जा रहा है, इतना उदासीन था. क्या हुआ बेटा, माँ पूछ रही है, नहीं मम्मी मज़ा नहीं आ रहा है नौकरी में. ही चेंज हिज जॉब एंड द न्यू जॉब ही इज वेरी मच लाइकिंग. सो व्हाट वुड ही से, ओह, द फ्रेश जॉब, द न्यू जॉब and the new assignment has rejuvenated me from my dampened spirit. I was not feeling comfortable, but now I feel highly elated. So that is rejuvenation. Now my dear children, let me come back to some of the synonyms and antonyms of it. By now, I believe that you must have understood the basic premise which goes to explain what are the inherent meaning of the word renovate. Day to day life में अपना पर्सनल रिलेशंस में भी these words are to be used. हमारी चाचा के साथ पट नहीं रही थी, but when my father came, he put all the family members together, and he not only integrated the entire family member, as a result of which our old discord got renovated. Our old point of discords were renovated. So these are words which goes to explain what renovation means. Synonyms. Mend. As I told you, the family relations got renovated. Mend your ways. Mend the family relations. Patch up. क्यों नहीं पैच अप करते हो यार? आप लोग आपस में ऐसे ही लड़ते रहोगे क्या? You should patch up. Mend your ways. Mend your relations. Patch up. Repair. Lost things cannot be regained, but it can be repaired. Because whatever lost is lost. But what we can do, which is in our confidence, is to repair. Relations are also repaired. Revamped. To bring back to its original shape. What was hitherto in total discord stands today revamped. That is, renovated, repaired, rejuvenated, integrated. These are the words. Something words which are related to it. Fix up. Their relationship has been fixed up, affiliate. Furbish, F-U-R-B-I-S-H, furbish, overall. These are all asymmetric words which have similar or identical meanings, which you can use interchangeably in different contexts. Therefore, because as it is, you cannot find its use as a true replacement of it. It is very much contextual, in which context you are going to use. So synonyms has a very broad horizon. It really expands your thinking process by imagining what kind of scenario you are going to use these words for. Reconstruct. देखते हो कभी कभी कोई क्राइम सीन हो जाती है तो पुलिस वाले वहां पहुंचते हैं, and they reconstruct the scene and they interpolate what could have happened and what would happen by extrapolating if we are going to reconstruct the scene again. Refurbish, I tell you. Cure. By renovating, you are doing only curing something which was lost, which was, totally lying in dilapidated condition. So, from the condition of dilapidated, D-I-L-A-P-I-D-A-T-E-D, tuta, futa, you make it in the state of renovations. From dilapidations to renovations, it makes a good simile. But you have to remember the subtle use of it and the nuances where you can use it quite often. Our relations was not good. It stands in a mode of dilapidations. बिल्कुल टूटने के कगार पे. But thanks to the effort of my father, that entire family relation stands rejuvenated and renovated now. We stand as a unit of a family together. Regenerate, meliorate. My dear children, it's only 500, 600 words which you remember. Most of the words somehow or the other keeps on moving around you. That is, say, it keeps on moving around the bush. I gave you the word, ameliorate you from the dampened spirit. Same word. These are two similar words, asymmetric words. Meliorate, M-E-L-I-O-R-A-T-E, and the other one is just add Emil, A-M-E-L-I-O-R-A-T-E, ameliorate. Ameliorate you from the dampened spirit. Uthana. Rejuvenate. So meliorate and ameliorate. These are two identical words which goes to form synonym of the word renovate. Now let us see some of the antonyms or the near antonyms. Just opposed to it. Very easy to understand. Something which is going to renovate and something going to damage. Blemish. जहां पे सुधार रहा था यहाँ बर्बाद करेगा. तो who does that? Blemish. B-L-E-M-I-S-H. Break. वो रिपेयर किया, इसने ब्रेक करना है. Because these are the antonyms. So my dear children, if you understand the synonyms, antonyms, entire, this quagmire of, or the confusion box of learning more and more word power, which sometimes might appear as a Himalayan task, which is not to be. In fact, it's not a Himalayan task. It's very easy, provided you have the willpower. Deface. Someone who is going to renovate, what would be the opposed to it? Deface. चेहरा बर्बाद कर दो. Disfigure. Flaw. When you renovate, you make it spick and fine. What is the opposite of it? Flaw. F-L-A-W. इसमें बहुत त्रुटियां. Harm, hurt, impair, injure, mar. It is up to you. You want to make your career or mar your career. Mar is destroy, बर्बाद करना. Ruin, spoil, vandalize. You must have seen some of the criminals in this ongoing Corona lockdown period. Some of the Tablighi Jamaat people, they have vandalized Corona warriors, working place, hospitals, police van. What is that? Spoil, destroy. So this is opposed to renovate. Wreck, W-R-E-C-K. Normally it is used in the sea wreck, the boat wreck, टूटा हुआ. The relation is no more integrated now. It stands wrecked, W-R-E-C-K-E-D, wrecked. Crippled, C-R-I-P-P-L-E, crippled, disabled, maimed. Sometimes you see when emergency is applied, the press and the freedom to speech, they are gagged or maimed, M-A-I-M-E-D, maimed, mangled or mutilated. Mutilation. IS वाले क्या करते थे? They were so much criminally oriented in their mindset that they used to mutilate human parts. Not only kill them, but they used to badly mutilate human body. So this is opposite of repair, refresh, rejuvenate or renovate. So my dear loving children, it is my earnest desire and will and wish that you are all son of this great nation. You have to study to serve Ma Bharati. You should empower yourself. Mind you, this is not our native language. This is a foreign language. And how can a foreign language, a foreigner know better English than us? So we have to learn it better and speak better by practicing better. Because practice makes a man perfect. Jai Hind.
जब जीरो दिया मेरे भारत ने मेरे भारत ने दुनिया को तब गिनती आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई। देता न दशमलव भारत तो यूं चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। सभ्यता जहां पहले आई, सभ्यता जहां पहले आई, पहले जन्मी है जहां पे कला। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा। यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया। भगवान करे ये और बढ़े, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले, बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले फले। है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा, है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा। मैं गीत वहां के गाता हूँ, भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा। काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता है। कुछ और न आता हो हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता है। जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया हो, जिसे मान चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं बात वही दोहराता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहां की रीत सदा। जीते हो किसी ने देश तो क्या, हमने तो दिलों को जीता है। है नर में, नारी में अभी तक सीता है। इतने पावन हैं लोग जहां, इतने पावन हैं लोग जहां, मैं नित नित शीश झुकाता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। इतनी ममता नदियों को भी जहाँ माता कह के बुलाते हैं। इतना आदर इंसान तो क्या, पत्थर भी पूजे जाते हैं। उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया हो, उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया। ये सोच के मैं इतराता हूँ। भारत का रहने वाला हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाता हूँ। है प्रीत जहाँ की रीत सदा,